So if you add your boot camp into VMware Fusion, you can then run it as a VM, or you can dual boot into Windows and run boot camp, which is very advantageous. Also, there is another feature of VMware Fusion that I find to be really useful. I'll show you that in a moment. So I'm spinning up my boot camp machine, which I've given 100 gigs partition to, or rather this window. Alright, so let me log in. And you'll notice that I have some applications down here that actually say boot camp. So I'm going to give you a little example of how this works. Say we come over here and want to download 7-zip. And we've got Windows 64-bit. Let's go and get that. And we're going to download it onto the Mac. And we'll come over to our downloads. Alright, so here's 7-zip. Let's go ahead and run it. And actually, let's cancel that for a moment. So we're going to go to View, and we're going to do the Unity mode, Windows, and now we're going to run this 7-zip. And you'll notice it sort of seamlessly runs it and gives us the impression that we're actually running this in Windows. So it kind of separates the VM and lets us use the underlying infrastructure. So here's, alright, so now what we can do is we go back to virtual machine view, go back to Unity, and when you minimize it, it's going to put an icon for the actual application, and then you can do keep in dock. So what that allows you to do is close the application, go back and minimize VMware Fusion, and then you can come and launch the application. And it'll run it as if you're running it inside of the Apple OS, but you don't have to purchase new applications. So I've just saved myself hundreds of dollars with VMware Fusion, allowing me to run this in Windows. And certain applications may not work as well as others. No doubt Camtasia is going to be interesting to see how that works. I just wanted to show you a couple little windows, like, so here's Microsoft Outlook running in Apple, which I think is pretty nice in comparison. We can open up various console routes. So if we wanted to look at our Hyper-V labs within VMware, we could do so. So I'm going to wrap this up for now. Hope you found this to be informative.